Hello friends, today we are going to learn a new lesson. Lesson's name is The Enchanted Pool, which is written by C. Rajagopalachari. C means what? C means Chakravarti Rajagopalachari. This lesson is taken from C. Rajagopalachari's Mahabharata. Already we discussed about one concept. The concept's name is epics. Already you know such the epics. Already you have seen such a epics. The epic means a long narrative poem which shows heroic deeds. The meaning of epics is a long narrative poem which shows a heroic deeds. It is called that is the epic. Do you know the epics? Epics, there are two types of epics. There are two types of epics. Which are they? The first one is Ramayana and second one is Mahabharata. Already there are two types of epics. The first one Ramayana and second one is Mahabharata. Already you have seen Ramayana as well as Mahabharata. Now here our lesson is concerning to our Mahabharata. But here we will try to understand this lesson is taken from C. Rajagopalachari's Mahabharata. C means Chakravarti Rajagopalachari has written a new book. Book's name is Mahabharata. And your lesson, The Enchanted Pool, is taken from C. Rajagopalachari's Mahabharata. What is the historical background for that C. Rajagopalachari's Mahabharata? Now we will clarify about it. Now here we turn to the Ramayana and Mahabharata. Who is the writer of Ramayana and who is the writer of Mahabharata? Who is the writer of Ramayana and Mahabharata? The Ramayana is written by Valmiki. And who is the writer of Mahabharata? The writer of Mahabharata is Vyasamuni. Ramayana is written by Valmiki and the Mahabharata is written by Vyasamuni. Both are original writer of Ramayana and the Mahabharata. Original writer of Ramayana is Valmiki and original writer of Mahabharata is Vyasamuni, Maharshi Vyasamuni. Here our lesson, The Enchanted Pool, is not taken from Mahabharata, which is written by Maharshi Vyasamuni. No. The present lesson, The Enchanted Pool, is taken from C. Rajagopalachari's Mahabharata. He has written new book. Chakravarti Rajagopalachari has modified about that the Mahabharata. He used his own language. He modified it and he has written new book. The new book is a Mahabharata. And so here, the enchanted pool is taken from Chakravarti Rajagopalachari's Mahabharata. Now we will try to understand the difference between Maharishi Vyas Muni's Mahabharata and Sri Rajagopalachari's Mahabharata. We try to understand. Already we clarify here. Now here we concentrate on the Mahabharata. In Mahabharata, there are so many characters. The characters are very important here. Which are they? In Mahabharata, 5 Pandavas and more than 100 Kauravas. 5 Pandavas and more than 100 Kauravas. Mahabharata means 5 Pandavas. Who were they? Who were Pandavas? 5 Pandavas. The first one, Yudhishthira. Second one, Sahadeva. Third, Nakula. Fourth one, Bhima. And last one is that Arjuna. There are 5 Pandavas. And what about that is the Kauravas? More than 100 Kauravas. Maybe Duryodhana or other characters. Already you have seen. Such as Mahabharata, we will get all characters, all Pandavas, all Kauravas. Already we have learned that. Here, he has also taken in his book same characters like Yudhishthira, like Arjuna, Nakula, Sahadeva and Bhima also. He has taken same character, but he modified, he decorated, he is used his own language, own words, own concept in his own book. What is the name of his own book? Mahabharata. Same title. And now here, the same character he has taken in mentioned in our lesson. Lesson's name is that the enchanted pool. And now here already we know that in original Mahabharata there is a conflict. There is a conflict between Kauravas and Pandavas. Already we know that. Conflict between. Conflict means that is a sangarsha. Conflict between Pandavas and Kauravas. Five Pandavas and more than 100 Kauravas. More than 100 Kauravas. There was a conflict between the Pandavas and Kauravas, which is shown in original Mahabharata. Same like that, same conflict which is shown by Sri Rajagopalachari in his book's name is Mahabharata. Pandavas and the Kauravas. The Pandavas, who were the Pandavas? Already we discussed here, Pandavas. The Pandavas, here 5 Pandavas, we will concentrate on it. Who were they? The first one is that Yudhishthira. Second one is that Bhima. Third one is that Arjuna. Fourth one is that is a Sahadeva. And last one is that is Nakula. Nakula. There are the 5 Pandavas. First one Yudhishthira, second Bhima, third Arjuna, next one Sahadeva, and last one is that Nakula. All are the brothers, in close brothers. Now here Yudhishthira, Bhima and Arjuna, Yudhishthira, Bhima and Arjuna, all were son of Kunti. Son of Kunti. And both, remaining both, Sahadeva and Nakula, both were son of Madri. Son of Madri. Here, both means here Yudhishthira, Bhima and Arjuna, 3 brothers were son of Kunti, and Sahadeva and Nakula both were son of that is a Madri. There is a reference which is a mention in our lesson, the enchanted pool. In original Mahabharata also, this relation is shown in it. And in Rajagopalachari's, Sri Rajagopalachari's Mahabharata, same relation is shown. Historical background, already we know that. He modified only. He modified. And here, Yudhishthira, Bhima, Arjuna, Sahadeva and Nakula, 5 brothers, Pandavas. What happened here? In Mahabharata, Pandavas and Kauravas and the Kauravas. There was a conflict. There was a conflict between the Pandavas and Kauravas. One day, what happened? They decided, Pandavas and Kauravas decided to play a game. What is the name of the game? The name of the game was Game of Dice. Already you know that the game of dice, Phashancha Khel. They decided, who decided? Yes, Pandavas and Kauravas were decided to play a game. The game's name is Game of Dice. And one day they played. And in that the Game of Dice, unfortunately, they lost the game. They mean who? 5 Pandavas. Unfortunately, they lost the game of dice. Before playing such a game of dice, they decided one who lost in the game, he or they went to the forest. And they lived 12 years. They lived 12 years and 1 year incognito, Ajnatavas, incognito. They decided, before playing such a game of dice, they decided to play, one who lost the game of dice, yes, they went to the forest and they lived there. And unfortunately, they lost the game. Who lost the game? 5 Pandavas. 5 Pandavas lost the game, and as per their condition, they went to the forest. They lived there. They suffered a lot. They did not get food. They did not get single drop of water also. They were thirsty. They were weary. They were tired. They wandered one place to another place to find out the food. They find out the water, but they could not get food, water, or basic needs. They could not get. But they suffered a lot. They wandered one place to another place. And here, such a the lesson, one day what happened? One day, they pursued to the deer, and such a the story, how they suffered, how the five Pandavas suffered, how they were weary, how they were thirsty. Everything which is mentioned in our lesson's name is that the enchanted pool. Such a the story which is mentioned in our lesson, we try to understand. The background is a very important, background of Mahabharata is a very important. At the time of lockdown, already you have seen such a the serial, already you have seen the Mahabharata, will get such a reference, how they suffered a lot. They wandered one place to another place. Such a the story, hardship came in their life. Everything will get in our lesson. The lesson's name is that the enchanted pool, which is written by C. Rajagopalachari. Now we'll concentrate on the title. What is the title? The enchanted pool. The title is a suitable title. Enchanted means there are two concepts. The first concept is a enchanted, second concept is a pool. Enchanted means what and pool means what? Already you know that. What is the meaning of the pool? Pool means small pond. Small pond. Already you know that. But what about the enchanted? Enchanted means a place under a magic spell. In short, we say that magic. Magic, enchanted means magic. Which type of pool? Magic pool. Which type of pool? Enchanted pool. This title is apt and appropriate, which is given by the C. Rajagopalachari to our story. This story is a very simple, very simple to understand. And here, afterwards, we will discuss about, that is a C. Rajagopalachari, who was a C. Rajagopalachari. Now we highlights on introduction of C. Rajagopalachari. His birth 10th December 1878 in Salem district, Madras in Tamil Nadu. His full name Chakravarti Rajagopalachari. He is nicknamed Rajaji. He was a great patriot, politician, lawyer, historian, statesman, thinker, independence activist, and also author of many books. He has written so many books, that is the literary works of C. Rajagopalachari. Number 1, Bhagavad Gita, Upanishad, Ramayana, Mahabharata, and other many books. His death 25th December 1972 in Madras, Tamil Nadu.